Hi, this is Eric the Parts Doctor. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the door switch on your Samsung dishwasher. If you need a new door switch for your Samsung dishwasher, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all the major appliance brands. The dishwasher door switch latches and secures the dishwasher's door during the cycle, ensuring that it remains tightly sealed to prevent water from leaking. If the dishwasher's door latch fails, the door may not open or close properly, or water may leak during operation. Additionally, the dishwasher may not start or operate as the safety mechanism prevents the cycle from initiating when the door is not securely latched. This repair can be completed with the dishwasher installed. Since we will be working with the dishwasher's electrical components, disconnect power to the dishwasher. To begin, open the dishwasher's door. Twist the vent cover counterclockwise to remove it. If you can't remove it with your fingers, you may need to use pliers to help to grab onto it. Be careful not to damage the cover. Using a T15 Torx Bit, remove the 14 screws on the inner door panel. Then, gently lift the inner door panel. Note that when doing so for the first time, the sound insulation will tear as it is glued to the inner door panel. The door switch is located here on the inside of the outer door panel. Then, gently pull the wires, disconnecting the door switch. The door switch is held in place by two retaining tabs located here and here. Depress the retaining tabs and pull the door switch out of the outer door panel. If you need to purchase a new door switch, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you are searching with the model number from the tag on your dishwasher to make sure you are getting the correct part. For Samsung appliances, use the longer version of the model number listed on the tag, followed by a dash and then the version number if one is listed. For example, this dishwasher's full model number ends with a /AA-00. To install, align the door switch to the door panel and press into place. Then, reconnect the door switch. Align the inner door panel to the outer door panel and set in place. Reinstall the screws in the door. Note that the 4 long screws go in the top middle 4 slots. Align the vent cover to the slot, then screw it in. Then close the dishwasher's door. That's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.